Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful, sunny, gorgeous day out. I'm not wearing a jacket, I'm just wearing my Culver's jacket right now. And my shirt and pants and shoes. Race. I got 2 dues for 3 for $70. But one was 81 cents, I think. Something like that. I'm still drinking a can of Dew, but I should be drinking water. But I didn't grab the water. Hope my phone doesn't die. That is one more day away. I'm not in spend because I'm gonna see how much money I can even take out. There's not even a cloud in sight. As you can see in the background of my background. I'm heading to work. It's Thursday morning, almost Friday. I'm gonna do like last week, my dance or my song for work. And if I drove, I would have my phone in vlog like I do on my bike. And here comes, my phone always dies back there, but it was on 50%. Might have to charge this baby when I get to work, because I on it in the morning, and sometimes I do have to charge it in the morning, but I'm on YouTube a lot and doing videos and stuff. I wish I asked for a phone battery. A bigger, better battery. Keep forgetting to tell Dad. I'm up by the bridge now. Mary's missing her thingy to knit stuff, and she just keeps asking me, ask the managers, and like, I probably won't, because I'm gonna be resting when I get to work, and pedaling and kind of hard. Now I'm going into the bridge. I do have an outfit out for when I get home. See, I'm in the bridge, the tunnel, the stickers, the graffiti. See what the bridge looks like. That's what the bridge looks like.